This is Roseau, Minnesota, and this is the Roseau River. That's a library over there. And I'm doing the water quality, the dissolved oxygen. The probe is over there, and it's reading 10.67 before I uh, place the probe in the water. And I'm on the bridge. So let me take the probe. I don't want to drop the camera or my phone in the river. Now the probe is in the water, and suddenly the meter is dropping rapidly from around 10. So it's reading 9.11. One 3.8 degrees Celsius. 9.11. 3.8 degrees Celsius. Roseau, Minnesota, Roseau, and it's reading 9.11. So that's what I'm just dropped to 9.1. Yeah, it's 9.11.